Sahil. I'm from Jammu. I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Engineering from MIET Jammu. I came to know about EMI technologies from my seniors. They pursued the internship here in different technologies. They said that the environment in EMI technologies is very good. That's why I came to EMI technologies and I pursued my Python internship from here. That faculty was very helpful in different manners. They provided me both the theoretical and practical knowledge. They helped me in providing all my doubts. They helped me in they helped me in all the aspects I want me to access. Thank you.